Morning. Good morning. How's everyone doing? Morning. Guys, stop complaining. If you don't like loud music, when you have nothing to see, it's just the intro. Just mute it, and that's it. Bye. It's too early for complainers. Okay, so the market is huge it's going high over the rainbow, so high. So we have no levels here because we are on new territory. I guess we're gonna use the pre-market high and lows. Those are the levels to watch. It will be beautiful if we can have a gap fill. Can you imagine that? That will be a dream for me. But yeah, pre-market high. That's the level to watch. Pre-market high. If it breaks it, either spy on the queue, we play the upside. If reject, we play the downside, maybe the gap. But I don't know, I'll be a little bit scared to trade to the downside on anything on this market, in this market. Meta just hit my PT, so feel free to take profits on that play. In fact, I should be all out on Meta. I'm gonna leave one runner, only one. Honestly, I'm not looking to trade much today. We have FOMC. Apple keeps ripping. Not looking to trade any individual stocks. Only span the queue. Whoa, IWM. That's another one. Ooh, I'm gonna be all out on IWM. Look, that huge push gap. Dang it, man. That's beautiful. I'm up so much on that one. I should like sell IWM and just done with my day today. That trade was insane. What I'm looking at today, you have it on my Discord. But with the span the queue, basically pre-market high. You gotta be patient here because SPY both on the queue had a huge gap, and so far both are pre-market high. So it's either gonna reject there or it's gonna break that, and that's the level to trade. At least for me, that's the level that I'm looking. Those are the levels that I'm looking to trade. And it's gonna be a quick scalp. I'm not looking for anything big today. I already got a lot of money from IW and the Meta. My Discord is where I post only my pre-market watch list. So you have my levels and what I'm looking to trade pre-market. There's no talking, no starting there, no trades. Only what I'm looking to trade on the day. So if you guys are on my Discord, you're prepared for the stream. Okay, we're breaking pre-market high. Breaking pre-market high. Every single link is down below on the video description. 'Kay, so we have a SPY and the cube breaking this pre-market high. Now we want to see it retesting those levels and pretty much act as support, and then we play the upside. Just pick whatever you like, either SPY and the cube. Both are looking pretty much the same. $6,000%? What do you mean? Apple 6,000. What's that? I saw one people asking, how do you manage one contract? How do you manage one contract? You either decide if you're gonna sell it or keep holding. How do you manage one contract? There's nothing to do there. You either sell or hold. You can't manage one contract. Everything pretty much is up, so whatever you bought yesterday, you must be up today. IWN has a lot of resistance above 207. No, you can do it a day before, but you need to put the oil and then turn it on without you stepping in. Just turn it on a little bit for a little bit by itself, and then turn it off and it's ready. It says up to 95% off. So what does that mean? That 434 pullback on Microsoft was so clean. That was a pullback. You have a gap up, pullback to previous all-time high, and then bounce. That was so clean. So yeah, now we just gotta wait and see. I don't think I'd ever seen a move like that on Apple. Apple's been up like non-stop for like almost 2 months. And yesterday's move and today's move is insane, especially yesterday's move. I think we have data at 10:30 also. Is it oil data? And at 2 we have FOMC. Damn, HD at 350. That's a big level of resistance. 350, 348. What is GME doing? Nothing? I don't know, I don't use ES charts. And I don't short anything just because it's an important level. I gotta wait and see for clear reaction points, like clear reaction. So far you had no reaction. Everything's like spine the curve moving up. You don't have any confirmation that the market wants to go lower. So why would I go against it? Trading is not guessing. It's reacting to whatever the market is giving you. And even if you guess and let's just say you enter it here and you got this pullback, that was just lucky. That was just luck. I want to pull back to this level. I want to see if it's really gonna react as support. We play the upside. If rejects there, I play until SPY or the Q lose the VWAP, or I see an ugly 30-minute candle rejection. Because I'm kind of salivating just looking to trade this huge gap here. But I don't know if it's gonna be today. Okay, so Nvidia is right at resistance. Google is doing nothing. Microsoft is fighting pre-market high. Apple is the only one that I see that is moving like up very strongly. IWM rejecting 207. CRM rejecting 240. Meta is weak, but let's see how Meta is gonna react to yesterday's high. That might be the entry. Maybe I missed it. But I don't know. I don't feel 100% confident on playing this pullback here with Nvidia at resistance and Microsoft rejecting pre-market high. Meta going lower. I don't know. Also, I don't like trading on FOMC days. Yeah, most likely I missed that entry. And I hate gap and go days. I don't like playing when we have huge gaps. Those are my most difficult days, honestly. I might don't even trade anything. Well, we'll see. It's too early. It's too early. Morning, Carla. I don't know. I don't know why it looks different. How can I know that? I cannot see your chart. And I don't know. What's different? So this is support now, and this one also looks like it's support. What? This one also is looking like it's support. Something like this. The Q definitely is looking a little bit weaker than SPY. So how you guys doing today? Any good greens? You guys took profit on IWM with me? Anyone swing that with me? Or Meta? But IWM was super clean. And we have FOMC at 2, and Powell is speaking at 2:30 Eastern time. Why frustrating? That shouldn't be frustrating. No emotions. Yeah, I think that's pretty much the plan that I have. I took most of my profits on IWM. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm looking there. So I took most of my profits there, and right, so far it's looking very weaky, looking kind of weak, open pretty much at resistance. So I want to see if it's gonna hold around here and it can move higher if the market keeps moving higher. If I see like an ugly reaction on the 30-minute and it's go under the VWAP, I'm just gonna sell my runners and be out. But if it keeps holding, I think I'm gonna hold it through FOMC, because I have my contracts are for the 21st, well, next week. And it's still looking good, but the smart thing to do is just get out. Just sell everything, because nobody was expecting this big gap up, and I was expecting for IWN to move first to 203 and then this level here, because most of the time when you have a falling wedge, you're gonna have, with a lot of time, you're gonna have a move toward the top of the falling wedge, right? Which we got today in just like 2 days, right? So only this move on IWN is insane, and asking for a move toward 209, 210, it's a lot. But again, as long as IWN keeps holding like the VWAP, it's bullish. If we don't see it, if I don't see it holding the VWAP, I'll be all out. But I locked most of my profits, and I'm only holding runners, and I got over 200% on those ones. Ooh, Google is looking so ugly. 180. If Google cannot hold 180, it's gonna fill the gap, and most likely it's gonna move toward yesterday's high, 178, around a little bit above 178. It's like 178.50, but it's looking ugly. Tesla, yesterday 168 hold was beautiful. You have a strong bounce today. Tesla, it's been a mess. More green on gambling. That's not bueno. P&L doesn't matter if you're not taking a good trade. But congrats. But with evils, I can understand people gambling, trying to pass the evaluation account in one day with something like CPI or BPI. But remember, the more you do a bad trade, the more you're gonna keep doing it, because it's like everything. The more you do something, you're just gonna keep it doing it, especially if you got rewarded for a bad habit. Because how do we learn something, or how we perfect something? We just keep repeating it over and over and over again, even with bad habits, pretty much the same. I'm still waiting because I'm not convinced on this move here. There's a few things why. Google is like pretty much losing support. Microsoft, it keeps rejecting pre-market high, so it's rejecting resistance. Apple is looking a little bit higher, and Meta is going lower. Yeah, it's like, imagine you have a dog, right? And every time the dog poops inside your house, you're giving it a treat, so he's gonna keep doing it. It's exactly the same thing. So I'm waiting here, being patient. I kind of want to see a SPY going a little bit lower and seeing a little bit more consolidation here at 542. And again, if I see an ugly 30-minute candle, I'm not gonna enter this long, and I'm gonna wait for SPY or the Q, pretty much the same, go under this level and break the VWAP to play the downside. Yeah, the Q is looking wicky. Like, it has a lot of wicks at the top. It's not looking too strong. I'm gonna move this because I want to see how this 30-minute candle is gonna look. If you're feeling risky, you can enter puts here and have a stop loss at the high, but I wouldn't do that. Just by looking at the 30-minute candle, that's a possibility, but I prefer to wait until it breaks the VWAP. If I want to play the downside. Some examples of my 30-minute candles. This one is very good example. Well, so what I mean ugly means red with a long wick at the top showing clear rejections. Do I think it's gonna happen? I don't know, because Nvidia is booming and Apple keeps going higher. So if Nvidia and Apple keep doing that, most likely we're just gonna keep going higher. But basically, what I'm saying is, where is it? Something like this. Something like this on the 30-minute candle. Something like this. Nvidia is going for all-time high. If breaks that, the Q is gonna boom boom. Same thing with SPY. Oh, I lied. I lied to you guys yesterday. I said I was going to the gym, but I didn't work out yesterday. The worst thing is, like, I've been eating like a fat pig lately. But I went through pretty much like 5 months of my streams, and I was looking for good setups, good explanations that I did, so I can repost it for you guys and it's easier. Like, I'm doing a technical analysis playlist on my channel, so there you guys can like look like how I trade pretty much and understand how I trade. Like, I have all the time questions about how I use a 30-minute time frame, my levels, and all that. So I'm working on it. Yeah, I think I should wake up earlier and go to the gym before the market open, but that's too early for me. I'm not a morning person. Okay, we have the SPY in the queue. Looks like it wants to boom boom. Nvidia is the one moving it. Yeah, and I definitely think that I missed the entry for this play. But I'm gonna go today. I'm going to the gym today, no matter what. No matter what. Also, yesterday we have a storm here. It rained the entire day, like all day, pitch black, raining. And today is pretty much looking the same. Bro, I missed my entry here. I want to see Nvidia holding 126. If Nvidia can hold 126, that's very bullish. At least I'm working. I'm working out a little bit here. But this is not real workout. Nice push. A very, very clean push here on SPY and the Q also, mostly on SPY. Yeah, I need a accountability partner. No, you don't need to pass any eval in one day. No pass in one day. You just had the option, but forget about the 1 day pass. Just trade, good setups. You'll pass it whenever it's time to pass. At 5 a.m. Yeah. Yeah, my ex used to wake up at like 4:30, go to the gym, work out, and then go to work. But he will go to bed at like 9. Like falling asleep at 9. I cannot do that. In fact, I've tried to fall asleep very early, and you know what happens? I wake up at like 12. And then I can't fall asleep again. $126 Nvidia. Why are you confused? Like, levels are not perfect, are like areas of support. So we can clearly see how, let's go with SPY, right? You can clearly see how SPY went down, use these little levels here as support, and then just consolidated here. So that's why I say I missed my entry. Like, levels are not perfect. Same thing here with the Q. You can see it. It was making a base around this area. Yeah, it will be perfect if it went down and kind of hold around this area. But still, like, the way I see it is, you have this morning high, right? This is your morning high, and you have here this morning high, right? You have a break of that morning high with a strong bullish candle on both SPY and the Q, and then pulled back and made a new lower high. You can say here, well, a little bit higher here. So that was your pullback. Never went here, and sometimes that happens. And then you have another higher low, and then we have this higher high around here, right? That's resistance. Broke that resistance. Now most likely we see a pullback to that resistance. But I didn't enter there because I was waiting for my level, but that didn't happen. But I could clearly see how both the SPY and the Q were having this little support here, working on support. I use trade of 8, 126. Nvidia is holding that level. That's the level I want to see Nvidia holding. 126. New all-time high. Just made a new all-time high. We have ugly looking Google under 180. Microsoft is still not able to break pre-market high, and Apple is looking kind of tired. It's having a lot of wicks at the top. IWM trying to break 207. We have this little level here. We have this little level here. Never got my pullback what I wanted. Most likely missed my entry, and I missed the trade of the day. No, Nvidia's not going crazy, just moving very slow to the upside. Not going crazy. Looks like we're just gonna have a very slow grind day. I don't have an X entry. I just explained how to trade this. Like, if you want to try, it's very easy with the explanation I just did. I'm teaching you how to fish. It's up to you if you want to use it or not. IWM 207. Keep going, baby. We have data at 10:30. Coin. Yeah, be careful with that coin high. It has 2 strong wicks from few days ago. So watch. It's not yesterday high. That's Friday last week high. Yeah, Friday high. Friday and Thursday high. On coin, that's the level to watch. Yeah, today's a gap and go day. All this is Nvidia because Apple is not moving. We have here, beautiful uptrend. Anyone got this pullback here on SPY or the Q? That was so clean. I don't know why I didn't enter it. But super happy if any of you did. And if you did, there's no reason why to get out so far. It's a clean uptrend. Higher highs, higher highs, higher lows, higher lows. That's awesome. Beautiful. That's awesome. That's awesome. Nvidia boom boom. If you wanna trade Nvidia, wait for a pullback to 126. This gap, it's insane. That is a huge move. Huge move. We're SPY in the queue. Especially on SPY. It's like $5 move. Nvidia, baby. I'm watching Microsoft. Microsoft, if can break pre-market high, that's another one that is gonna boom boom. I was not expecting this on an FOMC day. I'm sweating here. Yeah, everything is going boom boom. Not much to do unless other than wait for pullbacks. So today most likely is gonna be a pretty boring day for me. The entire excitement was from the swing trades. IWM, meta in the morning. I made my entry to play this upside. Not gonna chase that. Yeah, same thing. I don't, like I said, the gap and goals days are for me are the most difficult days. Like for me, I don't like these days, like gap and go days. I know how to trade them. I don't like them. I think it's because I don't really like playing calls. I don't like playing the upside. I love playing the downside. I love playing bearish markets. But when we have a market that it's been up so much, so fast, I don't know, I find it difficult to trade those moves. Especially with futures. With options, I have no problem holding pretty much forever until my stop loss breaks out. But with futures, I don't know, it gets me nervous. No, I don't like bull market. And I find it funny. Everyone loved it because it's extremely easy to make money. Everyone is saying, oh, I'm a trader. And then they don't know how to play puts. Or short. Short sell anything. If you are a real trader, you can play to either side. What's going on with the firm? Under 38, done so. I like this consolidation on IWM at 207. IWM is YM, right? With futures. Okay, I'm looking. I might trade this one, IWM. I want to see how it's gonna react here. Let's see. Yeah, my best wins are, I think, no, my best win has been swing trades calls, swing trading calls. I think my best win has been UPS and FDX and AI. I had like 300%. I think one time I got 1,000% on AI, but no, I think the cleanest trade with the biggest percentage gain has been FedEx and UPS. Gaps, because most of the time FedEx and UPS, when they have earnings or any news, they have huge gaps. And if you really know how to play gaps, you can literally buy like 2 months out and those gaps get filled. But it's not like I trade them always. I only trade those two when I see either very good falling wedges or gaps, huge gaps. Okay, I'm gonna go long here. Why? Okay. Again, looks like trade over. It's not working today. Not working right. It bought me only one on this account and two. Like I wanted to buy two and only bought me one on this account. So I want to see it holding this 206.80 level. If it goes under and the 30-minute candle closes with a long wick at the top in red, that's a good short play also. But it needs to lose this little level here. That's pre-market high. So we have around here. Something that I don't like is Nvidia is back under 126. Okay, so if this candle close under cannot hold an EMA, that it looks like it's not gonna hold there, I'm getting out. The Q is holding this previous resistance, support. And Apple looks like it wants to boom boom again. IW is not looking good. I'm waiting to see how the 5-minute candle is gonna close. Looks pretty bearish. We'll see. Okay, I'm out. Yeah, this did not work. Looks like the Q Inspire breaking the downtrend. The next one is seeing if SPY or the Q can hold the VWAP. How's the 1 hour looking? Not that bad. I'm not gonna lie, GME kinda looks bullish. Let's see. So we had the break of the uptrend, but so far both are holding support. Nvidia holding 126 support also. I think I don't trust this upside because Apple kind of looks tired and Microsoft is having a lot of trouble breaking pre-market high. But the market is looking pretty bullish. But like I said since the beginning, gap up days are, besides Fridays, gap up days are my worst days ever. Gap and goes days. Yeah, I was looking DME contracts for the end of the year, and there wasn't that expensive. But I think it's better to play DME with shares. This is our next resistance. This is our support here. So that's basically how you manage your trade if you are in anything or if you want to enter anything. Yeah, I'm holding AMC. I have some AMC contracts. I have weeklies and I have for end of the year contracts also. But I like more GME. GameStop chart looks better. AMC, it's been playing inside a big range. Wait, yeah. GME looks ready to boom boom. Should we get some YOLOs there for this week? Let's see how are those contracts. How high? How's the IV there? The 32, 300, almost 50%, 344%, 350%. Damn. The weeklies, 32. For next week, the 30. I'm looking. This is just a YOLO. Let's see how are the 40 strike for next week. 370%. That's insane. Yeah, short dated is too risky. But that's why the IVs are so high. I like the 50 contract for January next year. And for 2016, the 125 contracts are already 130% on Ivy. But like I said, those maybe it's better to play that crazy stock with shares. Okay, expand the queue at key levels. I'm watching here the VWAP and pre-market high. This is the level that I want to see the queue losing if I want to play the downside. Same thing here with SPY. What's the minimum? Just go to the Apex accounts, Apex website. If you're asking that, it means you don't know the rules and everything and the facts. So go here on Apex, and then literally research anything. Most popular search, payments, and then you have how do payments work. Go there, and you have this entire explanation. How to apply for payment, what's the minimum you need to apply for payment per account, 25, 50, 75, 100, 250, all accounts, and then read the rules. You have everything there, literally everything that you want to know about Apex. You go to this website here and research. They have everything. You can read it, watch pictures and videos. I think that's easier for you guys. If you want to know anything, easier than asking me. Just go here, do a little research. I think that's the best way for you guys to really understand how any prop firm works, instead than just asking somebody online, because everything can be lost in translation, right? So if you go straight to the source, you'll have no problem. Okay, Google pretty much filled the gap until yesterday high. Apple looks like it wants to boom boom now. Very slow. It had a lot of consolidation. Apple. Look at GME. GME is going. That thing really wants to boom boom. Nvidia rejecting 126. Next support is a VWAP. If it goes under the VWAP, gonna drag the market down. CRM really holding to 238, 237. Based on the 30-minute candles, we have another support here. And this. I really like what Microsoft is doing. I just don't know if I want to play any options with FOMC coming. I'd much rather like stick trading futures today if I want to trade anything else. The GameStop guy contracts are for this week or next week, because those contracts are deep in the money. He was holding the 20 contracts weeklies. No, for this, I think for this month. I'm sorry, this week. Next week? Okay. Thank you. Oh, he bought it in the money? Okay. Yeah, Apple going. It is insane to see Apple doing this. Like doing that huge move the past few days. I never seen Apple doing that. Apple is not a stock that moves that much in one day. That's why I don't like trading Apple contracts, but man. Is it me or the market is just not moving right now? Okay, I'm going long here on ES. I want to see it holding this little support here. If cannot hold, I'm getting out. Pretty much done. If these don't work out, I'm gonna have a red futures day and a very big green with options thanks to IWM. Let's see, because Nvidia is not looking too good right now. Come on, Nvidia, go. Okay, looks like it's gonna stop me out. Let's see. Well, still holding support. Come on, go, 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 go. Go, go, go. I'm looking for a move till today's high based on the 30-minute time frame. We'll see. Yeah, the Q is definitely stronger than SPY. But I still like this entry. Clear. break up this resistance, and now it's acting as support. The one that I really wanna see moving is Meta. I wanna see Meta going back above yesterday's high. The Dow is bullish. It looks pretty bearish. Or maybe I'm looking at the wrong one. Let's see. The Dow is pretty bearish. It's going for the gap. Gap down. For the gap, to fill the gap down. Come on, Microsoft, move, boom, boom, so get spike and move higher. Apple just keeps booming. Is this a head and shoulder on SPY? Weird head and shoulder. Hopefully not. Kinda looks like. And Nvidia is looking pretty bearish now. Let's see if Nvidia is gonna hold the VWAP. Needs to go lower first. Yes, looks exactly the same. Then SPY. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Same thing. If SPY loses this support, most likely it's gonna go down to the VWAP. Meta is waking up. Nvidia not looking good. Microsoft and Apple also pulling back. Looks like I'm gonna get stop out again. We'll see. I want to see a SPY holding there. I don't think it's gonna hold because Nvidia is moving rapidly to the downside. Okay. Okay, I'm out and done. Out and done for the stream. Gonna lose the trade a little bit more later after 2:30 after Powell. But yeah, red day for me. We have this first trade red, second red. We'll see if I can turn around this later today. But other than that, see you guys mañana. Not my morning, but it's fine. You guys see the green and see the red. Keeping it real. I'm done for the stream. Like always, thank you guys for being here. See you mañana.